Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be eager to move your Polkadot tokens from Robinhood to a more flexible wallet like MetaMask. But hold on, MetaMask is designed for Ethereum-based assets, so transferring directly isn't straightforward. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step, including workarounds to make it happen securely. By the end, you'll have your where you want it, ready for staking or trading. First things first, let's cover the prerequisites. You'll need a Robinhood account with your Polkadot tokens, a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser or mobile app, and ideally, access to a Polkadot-compatible wallet like Polkadot.js for the actual transfer. Make sure you have some ETH or other gas fees ready if bridging is involved, as crypto transfers can have costs. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website and navigate to your portfolio. Find your Polkadot holdings, it's usually under the Crypto section. Step 2. Select your balance and look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Robinhood might prompt you to enter a wallet address. Here's the key. Since MetaMask doesn't natively support Polkadot, you'll need to generate a Polkadot wallet address first. Head over to the Polkadot.js extension or app, create or access your wallet, and copy the address. Step 3. Paste that Polkadot wallet address into Robinhood's withdrawal form. Double-check it. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could mean lost funds forever. Confirm the amount you want to transfer and review any fees. Step 4. Once submitted, Robinhood will process the withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations. Step 5. After the funds arrive in your Polkadot wallet, if you still want to interact with MetaMask, you might need to use a bridge like Polkadot's own bridging tools or a third-party service to convert or transfer to an EVM-compatible chain. Always use reputable bridges to avoid scams. Finally, once everything's set, you're good to go. Managing your crypto gives you more control and opportunities. Remember, the crypto space evolves quickly, so stay updated with the latest on Polkadot and MetaMask integrations. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.